Next topic is your electronegativity. Okay, so electronegativity is basically the tendency of an atom of an element, the tendency of an atom of an element to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself in a covalent bond. Okay, to understand this definition well, I am giving you here an example of HCl. Okay, for example, here is a molecule of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Here is molecule of HCl. As you know that the bond between hydrogen and chlorine in HCl is a covalent bond. Okay, being on the right side of the periodic table, you know it very well that chlorine is present to the extreme right side of the periodic table and hydrogen is present to the left side of the periodic table, in which shows that there will be more nuclear charge on chlorine as compared to hydrogen. Okay, so in that case the chlorine will attract the electrons present in this covalent bond little bit more towards itself as compared to the hydrogen, which will in that case produce a partial negative charge on chlorine and a partial positive charge on hydrogen atom. Okay, due to which it will become polarized. Okay, and it will develop two poles, and this is why it is known as a polar molecules, because it is having a positive pole and a negative pole. Okay, so this is what this definition means: the tendency of an atom, okay, the tendency of an atom of an element to attract the shared pair of electron. To attract the shared pair of electron means in a covalent bonds the electrons are shared between the two atoms. Okay, but it is not necessary that those electrons are shared equally among them. Okay, so the atom, if it is a heteroatomic molecules, means if that molecule have different atoms, then in that case the atom which will have more nuclear charge will attract the electrons more towards itself. Okay, so that is why it is written here, to the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself in a covalent bond. Okay, this is known as electronegativity. Okay, so basically, as we know, move from left to right in a period, okay, left to right in a period, then the nuclear charge increases, which increases electronegativity. And when we move from top to bottom in a group, then the size increases, due to which electronegativity decreases. Okay, means if we move from top to bottom in a group, then the number of shell will increase, because of which the distance from the nucleus and the electron will increase, and there will be less attraction of the nucleus towards the outermost electron, due to which the electronegativity of the atom will decrease. Okay, so this is how the electronegativity changes in a period and in a group in the modern periodic table.